Alright, we got the coilovers and all the other work done on this car. For reference, this is my lowered E30 on H&R sport springs. Yeah, just about tucked on the tire there. We're a little bit up right there. We are roughly in the middle of the spec. And I measured all four corners. This BMW wants you to do ride height from the bottom of the wheel up. We're about 1/8 of an inch left to right, and it's a little bit lower in the front. Might make some adjustments. Gonna take it for a little lap around the block and let it settle a hair, and then remeasure and see